Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA 5.4 and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of the device. And once you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the welcome screen. So simply select from here the language that you wish to use. I'm going to go with English. And then let's tap on Let's Go. Connect to mobile network. Now this is option for you to insert a SIM card, assuming you want to. If you don't, you can just simply tap on Skip. You can insert that SIM card later on after the setup is complete, and it will just work just fine. There we go. Now next page we have the option to connect to Wi-Fi. Now again, this is completely optional. If you don't want to, you can completely skip it. So the option is yours. If you choose to skip it, you will also miss out the option to log into your Google account throughout the setup, but you can still do that later on after the setup is complete through settings. So I'm gonna again select to skip and continue. Now date and time. If you connect it to Wi-Fi, this screen right here won't be visible at all because it will be set automatically. But if you choose to skip it like I did, then you will have to set it up manually. Now next page we have Google services. So we have location scanning and send user and diagnostic data. And you can read exactly what each one of them do. If you don't want it, then you can simply deselect it. So let's go down and accept at the bottom. And next page we have the option to protect our device. Now by default it opts into a fingerprint. That is because once you choose to actually set up a fingerprint, it automatically also tells you to set up some kind of other way of unlocking the device. That'd be PIN, pattern, or password, because, well, you cannot have just a fingerprint. If something happens to your finger, you would lose the ability to actually unlock your device. That's the reason why I have other ways of unlocking it. So if you want to set it up, then just simply tap on next. If you don't, then choose skip. Let's do face unlocking. Now again, there's another way of unlocking the device through using your face. Again, if you don't want it, you can skip it. Again, if you do want it, you will also have to set up some kind of PIN, pattern, or password. And here it goes into just the screen lock, so PIN, pattern, password. Again, if you don't want it, for some reason it brings it up 3 times basically, but I'm gonna continue to skip it. There we go. And we're almost ready, so let's tap on Let's Go, and we should have access to the home screen. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.